Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to mine silica pearls Arc Easy Guide. Approach shallow coastlines during daytime and scan for small clam shells on sand and mud. Equip a pick or hatchet and target the shell directly, striking until a silica pearl pops out. Avoid hostile creatures and watch stamina while gathering to stay safe. Store pearls in a secure container and mark productive beaches on your map for repeat runs. In this video, I will show how to mine silica pearls Arc Easy Guide. Prioritize a metal pick or hatchet for efficient extraction and faster response. Carry a small pack of food and stamina potions so you can gather multiple clams without retreating. Use map markers to log high-yield beaches and return on later trips, and travel with a tame that can spot shells while you harvest. Keep an extra tool in case one breaks. In this video, I will show how to mine silica pearls Arc Easy Guide. Focus on river mouths, lagoons, and small islands where clams cluster along the sand. Low tide or calmer weather often makes shells more visible and easier to harvest without diving. Steer clear of PvP hotspots and deep water that slow you down. Mark each productive run to build a routine and return with a friend or tame for added safety and speed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.